I'm Krystal Boothe, and welcome to Trauma Talks. If you're here, you might be a young person, a parent, or someone supporting a family that's rebuilding after time apart. And I want you to know right away what you're feeling is completely normal. Relationships can bring up so many emotions. It feels confusing, scary, or even overwhelming. And you might be wondering, why is this so hard? Shouldn't things get better when I'm getting back to being happy again once we're reunifying? Today, I'm going to help you understand why reunification can feel tough and what you can actually do to help yourself feel safer and more in control through this process. Okay, so let's get started. All right, welcome to Trauma Talks, okay? Reunification what it really means is when family members, especially parents, children, come back together after a separation. Maybe you're reconnecting with a parent after being apart for a while. Maybe you're working through some difficult experiences from the past. Even if everyone wants things to get better, it doesn't always feel easy. That's because your brain and your body hold on to experiences, especially stressful ones, painful ones, even when you want to move forward. Okay, so here's what's going on inside your brain. You have something called your safety brain. Its main job is to keep you safe. If something in your past felt dangerous, confusing, or hurtful, that part of your brain might stay on guard. You might notice you feel nervous, quiet, angry, or just totally unsure what to say at all, or even though you want things to work out. That's not that you're not being difficult when that happens. That's your brain doing its best to protect you, and your body feels it too. Even when your brain feels unsure, your body reacts, okay? You might get a tight chest or a racing heart, or even frozen, or just want to leave altogether. This is called a nervous system response. It's not something you can just think away. Your body has to start feeling safe again for real change to happen. Yes. So if you've ever thought, why can't I just act normal? Or why do these feelings come up? Why are they so intense? I want you to hear this, you guys. Nothing is wrong with you. Your mind and your body learn to survive in a way that made sense at the time. But now, together, we can reach and teach you something absolutely new. Okay, we can reach that part of you. So here's a few simple tools you can try right now to help your body feel safer. Okay, first, place your hand on your heart. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Try repeating to yourself, I'm safe right now. I can take this one step at a time. This helps your nervous system settle. Yes, it helps you settle. And it also helps with stress, you guys. So second, look around the room. Name 5 things you can see and 4 things you can touch. This is a grounding exercise. It helps you when you get trauma activated. Remind your brain and your body that you are here right now, not stuck in that traumatic past situation that you experienced in the past. Third, give yourself permission to slow down. Remind yourself, I don't have to rush. My feelings are allowed, and I am okay to feel them. Don't rush yourself, okay? Reunification isn't about pretending everything is perfect once you're back together again. It's about being honest about feeling your feelings, learning to communicate, and slowly rebuilding trust with that loved one. That takes patience, and it's okay to need support along the way. You're allowed to ask questions, to speak up, to have boundaries, and to heal at your own pace. You are allowed. to take care of yourself through this process. Yes. So if this video helped you, okay, know that you are not alone. This channel is here for you every step of the way. Be sure to subscribe to Trauma Talks for more support tools and real conversations, you guys, on, trauma, how to heal it, reunification, okay? Together we can keep learning how to feel safe, safer, stronger, and more confident as we rebuild relationships, okay? So remember, it's not just about getting back together, it's about healing and creating a safer, more connected future together, you guys, okay? So thank you guys for joining me on Trauma Talks. I'll see you in the next video.